Hey friends, welcome to Stocks and Crypto Plays. I'm talking about AMC stock. AMC stock is trending right now on Twitter. Some news I found for you here from Crystal Ball. There's a AMC transaction made today where the National Bank of Canada just bought $14.3 million worth of AMC stock. They did do a put position as well. That may be a protection for them. It's a smaller dollar value per position. Let's take a look at here. They may have done that just to kind of like protect themselves because they don't know for sure what's the market going to do. You know, is AMC going to go up or down? They don't really know. But, you know, this is definitely bullish. National Bank of Canada, you can see right here, they made a market value purchase of $14 million today. So that's 3.2 million shares. But my question is, where did they get the shares? I mean, I would just love to know. Are there 3 million shares available? So that's interesting. But I think that's bullish. But then also, if you take a look at the put position, market value of the put is 19 million, almost $20 million, which is a higher value than the actual shares they bought. So what are your thoughts on it, team? What are your thoughts on that? Okay. I feel that it's bullish because they actually bought the shares, like they purchased 3.2 million shares, but the put position, you know, is a hedge against their purchase, you know, in case it does go down, the two will balance out. So I'm just curious what you guys think about it. I'm not like, I would have liked it a lot better if they didn't open a put position, if they didn't have a put position as well. But I do like that they made such a big purchase, but you know, they purchased it today, but we didn't really see like a big spike. We didn't really see a big spike in the price at all. So that's interesting too, right? So I want to share that with you. Also, we've got some other news going here. The cost to borrow, which I've mentioned, they were trending number 2 in the world for cost to borrow. Now they're over 1,000%, which they're like 1,050%. And then the number 1 went down a little. So that puts AMC as the new number 1 highest cost to borrow in the world as of today, Thursday. I like this tweet right here. Why the rush to dilute the AMC float? Adam Aaron has yet to provide proof AMC is going bankrupt. The FUD piece stifled AMC squeeze, and the AMC subreddit is saying a settlement is reached. Why celebrate something that retail investors don't want? I think he's trying to say. Who gains by diluting? Well, I'll just say real quick what the goal of Adam Aaron is to do, if I haven't been clear on it before, is, for example, what they want to do is Adam Aaron wants to take 90% of our shares, like out of our accounts, okay? It's a forced sale, theft campaign. And then what he wants to do is dilute AMC float with 400 million new shares. So basically, just to put it in simple terms, he's going to take our share. He wants to take our shares and then sell them back to us. Okay, I'm trying to make it clear and easy to understand. What he wants to do is take our shares, do a forced liquidation, crash the new higher price that will only last for a moment. Probably it'll go down instantly, even in pre-market, so you won't even have a chance to sell it. He'll crash the new higher price, right? Take our shares, crash the new higher price, took 90% of our shares. Once it crashes really low, he'll dilute, crash it even further, and then a lot of people will buy them back. But what happens is we're buying back our shares that he stole from us. You know, it's just not a good thing, okay? And if you look at the history of reverse splits, they've all crashed, all of them. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Take a look here at the AMC off exchange. 64%, 11.7 million is off exchange. Only 7.83% of the trades are done on the New York Stock Exchange for AMC. Crazy, isn't it, friends? Okay, so let's see. No AMC on the list. CEO Adam, are you aware of this? Companies investing naked shorting in their stock. companies investigating naked shorting in their stock. This is very true. And I know a lot of these names on here, and I know the CEOs, specifically Genius Group. That CEO is very talented, and he's hired a legal team to investigate and fight naked shorting. Roger James Hamilton is his name. I follow him on Twitter. Very good CEO, Genius Group. He's fighting it. Mullen is now fighting naked shorting legally. They're partnered with Share Intel, and they have a lawyer working to fight the naked shorting. So these companies here, you can see they're fighting it. Highcroft Mining at the bottom there recently joined the fight as well. But AMC is not fighting it. And actually, the CEO of Genius Group put out a tweet, and I did several videos on this. He reached out to Adam Aron, CEO Adam Aron, in a tweet, and he said, join our team, let's investigate naked shorting together. And Adam Aron just completely ignored him. And then I reached out to Roger James Hamilton, and I said, did Adam Aron contact you? And he basically said no. And then he did another tweet that said, as of yet, I haven't heard from Adam Aron on this. And he hasn't. So Adam Aron doesn't want to fight naked shorting because he is naked shorting his own company, which it's not his company. We own it as of right now. They're trying to take it from us with the reverse split. I did a video on that. And Terra Capital and Adam Aron are in the process of doing a hostile takeover from the retail shareholders, you and I, okay? So hit like, subscribe, add notification, share the video with a friend. What can I say positive-wise? It's positive news. I would say, this is pretty positive that Crystal Ball posted that National Bank of Canada purchased 14.3 million shares. I think that's positive. Also, we have the Goldman Sachs price target. I did a video, I think it was yesterday or the day before. It was the day before. Yeah. I did a price target of Goldman Sachs put out $175 per share for AMC. I know it sounds crazy, but maybe their mindset is this is going to be after a short squeeze. I'm not sure what their mindset is, but Goldman Sachs is a very powerful investment firm, as you know. So that's bullish as well. AMC stock is trending. Let's see what happens. Let's stay positive, friends, okay? Comment below what you think about all this. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.